breaking update, what we are learning that NIA has now been raiding the banned Darul Uloom and Sirajul Uloom in Jammu and Kashmir, where the former Jamaat chief's house is also under scanner. And the NIA has been conducting these raids in multiple locations in Shopian, including Jamia Sirajul Uloom. Now, the National Investigation Agency is conducting these raids at multiple locations. And what is being said in Shopian, where these searches has been carried out at the Jamia Sirajul Uloom, and what is being said that it was declared unlawful association under the UAPA last month. Sahil is connected with us. Sahil, raids taking place in Shopian, multiple locations as well. What is it connected to?
Well, these raids basically started at multiple locations across Kashmir, in Shopian district of South Kashmir, as well as in Srinagar, where in fact the NIA team, assisted by Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF, raided Sirajul Uloom, an organization or madrasa that was basically declared unlawful by the LG administration last month. And today, early morning, these NIA teams basically were present inside the premises of these institutions, and the raids were conducted. We are picking up from the sources that several documents in fact were seized, and these raids were in fact carried out in a terror related case. Now this particular institution in South Kashmir, Shopian, called Jamia Sirajul Uloom, is in the news for wrong reasons. In fact, Jammu and Kashmir police investigation has revealed that around 13 of its students, pass outs, had later on joined terror outfits, and that's what basically has brought this particular institution under scanner. And now today NIA teams assisted by Jammu and Kashmir police and CRPF carried out these raids. So there were also raids on individuals linked to banned Jamaat-e-Islami organization that was basically banned and declared unlawful by the Ministry of Home Affairs in 2019 and continues to be so. So these raids are in fact were conducted early morning today. Prominently, Sirajul Uloom, a madrasa in South Kashmir, Shopian, was raided by the NIA.
All right. So sources say that the teams of the agency, accompanied by the security personnel, reached the locations early this morning and have launched the search operations taking place in the Shopian district. For the moment, Sahil Sohail, thank you very much for joining in.